Are you entrepreneur looking to grow your business but facing financial hurdle? Don't worry. Punjab National Bank is here to support you. Recently, PNB has organized mega event in the name of PNB Home Expo and PNB MSME Outreach Program to reach out to entrepreneurs like you and empowering MSME by providing financial solutions that cater to every business need. So let me show you some video clip of this wonderful event. These initiatives were a huge success. Lack of entrepreneur and individual are getting benefit from this amazing event. But here the catch. Many people are missed out on this fantastic opportunity. If you are one of them, then this video for you. In this video, I will tell you why PNB Bank is the best choice for MSME. Now the question is, why choose PNB when there are various bank, financial institution, NBFC bank are available in the market to provide financial assistance to MSME. I give you reason why PNB is the best among all the banks and financial institutions. So first reason is competitive interest rate. PNB bank are offering loan at a very attractive rate that make EMI affordable. A lower interest rate means less stress on your business finance. So with PNB, you can focus on making your business profitable rather than worrying a high interest payment. Now, second reason is quick processing and minimum documentation. We understand the value of your time. Our simplified loan process ensures fast approval with minimum paperwork. Bank is also focusing on digital loan under the name of DG Loan, EGST, PM Swanidhi, eMudra, and so on. It means you don't need to visit any branch. The entire process would take place at your doorstep. Now talking about the third reason. Relationship banking and advisory service. We don't just offer the loan, we also provide business insight, financial guidance, and necessary support throughout your journey. So you don't need to rely solely on your chartered accountant for your financial advice. We are here for you. Now other reason is our bank is also focusing on government backed scheme. Now you don't need to offer any collateral security up to the limit of 10 crores as these loans would be covered under the CGT MSE guarantee. You will only need to pay nominal annual fee to take advantage of this coverage. Additionally, scheme like PMAGP and Stand Up India can offer you finance up to 1 crore without any collateral security. And don't forget the substantial subsidy you could receive from the government under this program. There are many more reasons that prove PNB is the best choice for MSME. But in this video, I cannot explain all those reasons. Let's talk about some attractive scheme that is specifically designed for MSME. So now talking about the PNB Plan Plus. Okay, so it is the one of the best scheme of our bank for MSME. It is available to all individual, proprietor, partnership firm, company and other to meet their working capital requirement for their term loans and non-fund based limit like bank guarantee and letter of credit with bare minimum collateral security. So if you are manufacturing, then you need to offer only 30% collateral security in the form of IP or liquid security against total exposure. And same way, if you are in service sector, contractor and trading sector, you need to offer only 40%, 50% and 75% respectively according to the nature of the business. It could be further reduced by 10 to 20% on the basis of credit history of the party. And interesting thing is that if you're going to set up a project on your own land, then you don't need to offer any additional collateral security for term loan, proposing for construction of building and purchasing of machinery. So if we talk about the rate of interest, bank is offering loan at very attractive rate, somewhere around 9% or less. Bank is also offering discount 50% or more on document and processing fee. we have some other scheme which is quite simple and easy for MSME. Yes, I'm talking about the GST Express scheme. It is a wonderful scheme that need only GST return for the last 1 year. You will get the loan on the basis of sales reflected in your GST return. Let's say if the sales of your firm is 8 crore as reflected in your GST return for the last 1 year, you will be eligible to get finance up to the limit of rupees 2 crore, that is 25% of the sale. So it is quite easy. No more question asked by the banker. As far as the collateral security is concerned, you need to offer only 75% collateral security against total exposure. However, you also opt hybrid model in this scheme in which you don't need to offer 75% collateral security. Instead, you may offer 50% collateral security in the form of IP or liquid security, and remaining loan may be covered under guarantee scheme, that is CGT MSE. In similar pattern, we have another scheme in the name of PNB Trade Growth, in which you will get the loan up to the limit of 1 crore without offering any sort of collateral security. You just need to submit GST return for the last 1 year or less, just like a GST Express scheme. Let me tell you one thing, PNB designed its scheme in a such a way that every businessman will get benefit from this scheme, irrespective of their income, status, requirement, demand, and financial condition. Whether you are a small businessman or high profile entrepreneur, PNB has something for you. From street vendor to teacher, doctor to senior citizen, everyone can find support. So if you are a doctor and want to set up a clinic or want to construct hospital, patho lab or purchase of medical equipment, PNB Bank has designed a specific scheme for doctor in the name of PNB Sanjeevani. We are also providing the finance to construction of education institution, college, university, construction of hotel and big project in the same of term loan, and also overdraft limit under the PNB Sampati scheme. Small businesses also get easy funding for working capital under Mudra scheme. And don't forget PNB Sarkar scheme, which welcome customer looking switch from other bank. This scheme offer very attractive rate and significant discount on bank charges. So why are you waiting for? Just grow your business with PNB. PNB is committed to empowering MSME by providing financial solutions that cater to every business need. So don't miss out this amazing opportunity. PNB is the second largest public sector bank in India with an extensive network of 55,209 touchpoints, including 10,159 branches, 12,000 ATMs, 33,000 PC. We also have a strong international presence in London, Bhutan, Nepal, Myanmar and Bangladesh, serving a vast customer base. To ensure faster loan processing and expert financial assistance, we have specialized processing offices like Mid Cooperative Branch, PNB Loan Point, and large corporate branches. So you can visit any nearest branch or one of these dedicated offices for proper support, guidance, and financial assistance to help your business grow. The link of detail of bank scheme as we discussed in the video are available in the pinned comment, so you can check it out. I hope I could help you to understand the vision of Punjab National Bank. However, if you have any question or any sort of clarification, you can ask by mentioning the comment below.